Hi, welcome to this video, and today we're going to look about how to set a business plan in Forex trading to make you a great income from home, which anyone can do. But what we have to do first of all is stress a couple of things, and it's something that most Forex traders really don't understand. Forex trading is a serious business. 95% of traders lose, only 5% win. So what you've got to do is do what other Forex traders don't to win, and that's treat Forex as a serious business. It's not a hobby, it's not a thing where you can just come into with no effort. You need to do your homework. Now, any successful business owner knows they need a desire to succeed, the motivation to turn their desire into reality. And motivation means they're going to have to do some preparation. So what they're going to have to do is study the market that they're dealing in and work out what we call a competitive advantage. Now, every business will have a different competitive advantage. Some might be customer services they're strong on, some might have price in their favour, and they'll work that advantage. Now, in Forex trading, there isn't just one competitive advantage that you can have. There's very many different ways of trading. But the most important thing is you need to know what your trading edge is. And I've done this numerous times at seminars. Ask the question, what is your competitive advantage that means you can win when 95% of traders lose? Most traders just simply cannot answer that question, or if they do, they answer it wrong, like I follow a Forex robot or whatever. Now, any business owner is going to be realistic. If you study the Forex markets, you have to be realistic. By being realistic, I mean it's not something that is you just come in and everything's going to be in your favour, you're just going to make profit after profit after profit. You're obviously going to have periods when you lose. Now, most Forex traders cannot get used to taking losses. And as a successful Forex trader, I mean most successful Forex traders probably say they win maybe 30 to 50% of their trades. I mean, all the stuff you read about 80, 90%, that is just not true. I read a book of his Market Wizards. They interviewed Bill Lippershutz, who's one of the most famous Forex traders of all time. He said, if you want to win at Forex trading, you better work out how to make money on 30 to 50% of your trades. That's one of the top guys in the world. Now, a successful business owner knows he's going to have losses. He's got an overhead. He has to pay staff, lighting, rent, all sorts of different overheads. But what he focuses on is keeping them small. And he wants his sales to be bigger than his overhead. And it's the same in Forex. You can have 30 to 50% losses, and 30 to 50% profit, sorry about that, and lose the majority of your trades. But you can still come out ahead if you cut your losers and you run your winning trades. Excuse me. Now, what you have to do is obviously learn the Forex market, and this shouldn't take you very long to do. Then you've got to work out your trading edge. Now, your trading edge is going to be different to my trading edge, which might sound kind of strange, but it's not. When you're trading Forex, your trading edge has to match your personality. And I'll give you an example. I'm fairly patient. I think one of my advantages of Forex trader is I can sit on trends for weeks. I don't mind retracements. I can ride them out. I'm fairly calm. I don't like to trade that much. Now, that suits me because my personality is quite calm. If you've got a slightly more excitable personality, i.e., you really want to be in on the action, you don't like waiting too long, you take a shorter term trading strategy like swing trading. The important thing is you've matched it to your personality. If you don't match a trading strategy to your personality, you won't follow it. I mean, it's a known fact. There's many different ways to make money. Not all traders make money in the same way. So you've got to get that strategy that suits you. Now, when you're learning Forex markets, what you'll notice is that basically, Forex, the basics are very simple to learn. It looks very, very easy, and it is. Learning a method that can make money is easy. Now, the hard part is the execution of the plan. When you're executing a trading plan, we're going to go back to the overhead bit, you have to ride out periods of losses. And that can be tough on the brain. No one likes to lose. No one likes to be wrong. No one likes to be stupid. But you have to do it. Most traders simply cannot do this. You can do it if you've learnt a trading strategy that suits you. And that's the important thing. You've got confidence, you can ride out those losing periods, and you can run your winners. Now, what I want to talk about next is my sort of top trading tips for success. So now we're going to move on to those. Right, now we're going to talk about the 5% of winners and entering this elite, which are the elite that make the really big money in Forex trading. And there is nothing to stop anyone from entering this elite 5%. It's one of those things that people feel intimidated by Forex markets. That's why they're always seeking help and going elsewhere and buying robots and so forth. But it's a fact. If you approach Forex trading with the right attitude, that means you are going to learn the basics, you are going to adapt a trading strategy that's to your personality, and you're going to adopt the mindset of a winner, which is thinking like a businessman. You're focusing on keeping your losses small, you're focusing on making big profits, and you're looking at a long-term plan. You want to be running this business for years to build money. And I just want to go to realism here. And when I say realism, it's a lot of traders, when they're dealing in the markets, they want to go too quickly. Now, Forex markets don't suit someone who wants to be gung-ho and build their business overnight. It suits someone who wants to go longer term. Now, you might be thinking, well, how much can I really make from Forex markets? It's all down to the individual, but I would say that if you've got a strategy you're confident in and you're executing it with discipline, you should be able to make between 50 to 200% per annum. You can have periods of losses, months of losses, drawdowns, etc. But that is a sum that I've seen people make who I've taught over the years, and they're from all walks of life. There are people who had businesses, there's housewives, there's students. They're not geeks or anything like that. They're normal people. They had desire, they had motivation, they went to action, and they stuck to their plan. Now, what I would suggest is when you're researching Forex markets, there's lots of information that you can find on the net. Most of it is junk, but a lot of it is really good stuff. And just focus on looking at things like technical analysis and tips on psychology and all this sort of thing, and keep your system very simple. Don't believe in the predictive theories, the theories that say that you're going to beat the market all the time. They don't work. Nice and simple. Focus on making that strategy yours, that you're confident in, and then executing it with discipline over the long term, and you become a winner at Forex trading. On the site, of course, you've got plenty of information, our site, which we think is good information for free that you can look at to get you started in Forex trading. And if you want a little bit more help, obviously, we do have a course. The course is designed to basically teach you everything that we've learned over 25 years. It's not a get-rich-quick strategy. What it is, it's a set of tools, thoughts and principles you can adapt to your own trading personality, make it yours, and enter the 5% of winners. I hope you enjoyed the video, and always remember, think like a businessman, be serious, and you can get what you want from the Forex market. Thank you very much.